Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok QR code. To know how to fix or to solve TikTok QR code, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list of apps, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors or problems on your app. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi, you will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.